Hi Kyle, I'm Tyson, and I'm one of your viewers, and I'm gonna show you how to fold a knife theory, which is this plane, and you're gonna need 2 sheets of paper and some tape and scissors. And if this plane wins a template, just do a strip of paper for the rest, because you're just gonna attach that on to the end. So first, fold this to that. I'm just gonna line it up. Okay, next, you're gonna fold that. And we're actually doing the water bombers, so. This and folds over. Get it right through the middle there, middle section. Beep beep. Yep. Flatten it out, and then you're gonna fold this up and this up. And then you fold this whole top down to the bottom. And then you're gonna make the center crease. Hey, that's a nice fold. Okay, now you're gonna set that aside, and you're gonna take this other sheet of paper and you grab scissors, and you're gonna cut about from here to like somewhere like here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start there. Cut all the way. Yeah. And you can tear if you want. And fold in half. And then you're gonna cut again about, while it's folded in half, about to here. So leave about that much space, and then you're just gonna, whoop, and then you're gonna fold this down. You're gonna flip it over and fold this down. Okay. And then you're gonna fold the wings on the other piece of paper that we did. Hold on, let me just. And then yeah. And then all you have to do is just push this in, and you're gonna get it through that bottom layer, and you just push it until it wants to stop. And then you're gonna go ahead, and you don't have to do this, but in the video you should show them. If you want, you can just show them to add tape and stuff. Sometimes tape is just really annoying to me. Yeah. You might need 2 pieces or so. Yeah, I only need 1. Okay, so yeah, and then you're just gonna add wings. Wing tips. And then you're gonna need quite a bit of up elevator for this. You're just gonna pluck it up about that much. Yeah. Yeah, that's a finished Night Fury. And by the way, I mean Night Fury from How to Train Your Dragon. And this does some crazy aerobatics too. If you do, sometimes it will do an aerobatics. No, that time it just flew really far. Bye.